Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Okay. So in our previous videos, we discussed about the what is view and what is the advantage of what are the advantage of view and what is indexed view and what is simple view, complex view we discussed. Okay. If you haven't watched that video, okay, I strongly recommend to watch that video, guys. Okay. So in this video, we are going to see the limitations of view. Okay. So what are the limitations of view and how to overcome that all and all we'll see that. Okay. So now, so the first point is view cannot work on the, we cannot create a parameters on view. Okay. And also view, we cannot work on, we cannot use order by class inside the view. And also we cannot use temporary tables. Okay. We cannot create a views on temporary table. Okay. On temporary tables we cannot create a view. Okay. So these are the 3 points, guys. Okay. These are the 3 points for the view limitations. Okay. Let's see that in action. Okay. So if you go this, okay, so this is the join, okay, so join with the group by, okay, and I'm creating top of that view and also with the order by. Okay. Let's see whether it's create order by with order by or not. Okay. See, okay, order by class is invalid in a view. Okay. So that means, okay, in function something is there, but still, okay, so in the view it's not it's not allowed. Okay. So order by class is not allowed in the view. Okay. That is the first point, guys. Okay. So that is the first limitation. And the second limitation, in view we cannot use the parameters. Okay. Parameters means, okay, now so whenever user want to, okay, select the department. Okay. So it's like we have a different types of, if you see only select statement, we have a different types of departments. Okay. I want to select at a time one department, I want to see the results, but that time we can go with the parameter. Okay. So if I try to create with the parameter, okay, if I try to create with the parameter, you cannot able to create the parameters. Okay. You cannot able to create the parameter. How to achieve this? Okay. So we have a invalid inline table valid functions are there. Okay. The same like a tables in view syntax. Okay. Everything is a view, but the thing is only written, okay, written in a table format. Okay. So so everything is a same, create a view name. Okay. Instead of view name, we write a function name, and then declaring a variable same, but here we'll write as a table, like how calculated in Power BI. If you see the calculated table, how the calculated table returns a table and calculate function only returns scalar value. So the same way, if you want to return a table, okay, it will return in the table results. Okay. So same thing, even select statement, as the select statement, how you are returning in the view, the same select statement we are returning that, but we are keeping in a brackets case. Okay. And also one more return command is extra. That's it. The return table and one more return keyword is extra. So the remaining, the brackets extra. So the remaining everything is same. So if you want to do parameterized view, we can achieve this with the function case. Okay. This function. Okay. So it's already existed. So if you want to drop the function, okay, so drop function name. Okay. So you can drop it and recreate it, guys. Okay. You can recreate it. Just drop F5. Okay. And then recreate it. Okay. You can go and then execute it. Okay. F5 executed successfully. So when you select now, so this is the function name, guys. Okay. You can select the function name and you can pass the any. So we have a department name as a parameter, right? So whenever user want to select with the IT, so they can pass and they can select only IT related information. Okay. Only IT related information, guys. Okay. Just a minute. So, and whenever they want to see only HR related information, okay, that parameters is not possible in view. Okay. That is possible in function. Okay. That is table valid function. Okay. Table valid function and scalar functions and multi-valid function will discuss in great details in the next coming sessions. But for now, okay, that is a table valid function, guys. Okay. Like, so first we discussed, so far we discussed the first point, order by class we cannot use and parameters we cannot use, right? The second last point, third point is, so we cannot create views on temporary tables. What is temporary tables? Temporary tables like a same like a permanent table. Okay. Whatever the table structure and everything is like a permanent table, and also inserting the record also like same like a permanent tables, but here we have two types of temporary tables, guys. Okay, single hash temp table and double hash temp table, single hash temp table and double hash temp table. Okay, so if you create a single hash temp table, okay, if you execute it here, okay, so if you try to execute this one in the next tab, okay, next tab, so you cannot, okay, you cannot see the results. Okay, you cannot see the results. Okay, this is only for temporary purpose. Okay, so you cannot see that. Okay, if you execute the same select query here, so it will execute. Let's see that. Okay, in the same tab. Okay, that is only for the okay, that is only for the this tab only. Okay, this session only. Okay, this tab only. Okay, so here it is executing, but if you go to the next tab, it will not executing. Okay, so where it is created, you know, so the temporary table, okay, if you refresh this, okay, here it's created. Okay, so here it's created. Okay, in temp table we have a 4 types of system DBs. In system DBs you have a, okay, so temporary table. In the temporary table it's created. Okay, temp DB, guys. Okay, this is the in temp DB there is a temporary tables. There is temporary table. It will create there. Okay, in temporary table it will store the temp tables are will store in a temp DB. Okay, if you create a double hash table, okay, that is a global temporary table, guys. Okay, so how difference from global temporary table means? Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, so if you execute this, okay, if you execute this, sorry. Okay, so let me try to execute it. Okay, so like you can do all kind of operations how you will do in a table. The same way we can do it. Okay, even so in earlier, so if you create with the single temporary table, it's not executed in the new tab, right? So it's executed in another tab also. Okay, so no need to drop, guys. Okay, if you want to temporary tables drop, okay, when you work in the same tab, you have to drop explicitly. But if you move to the it's like if you close this tab, wherever you created this temporary tables, if you close the tab, so automatically the temporary tables will be dropped. Okay, suppose, okay, let me create one temporary table here. Okay, so in this tab, okay, we'll create one single hash temporary table or global temporary table. Okay, let's keep one and then enter, sorry, execute. Okay, if you go here, so if you refresh that, okay, you will see the temp table. Okay, so the double one temp table is there. Okay, so if I close this, okay, if I close this, automatically it will drop. Okay, so it will close this. Okay, if I go here and if I refresh that, so the temp one will be not there. Okay, if you see, okay, so just refresh, see. Okay, no need to drop explicitly. So when you close the tab, it will automatically drop. Okay, so when we have a temp table, okay, why? So you understand what is temp table and all. Okay, if I try to create an view on this temp table, okay, if I try to create a view on this temp table, it will not allow. Okay, why? Because view, so that is makes sense, guys. Okay, why? Because view is a only virtual table. Okay, so it will take the reference from the base tables. Okay, if you create a temporary table, you don't know whether when it will be exited and when will be existed and when will be dropped. So that is the reason. Okay, so if you try to keep like this and then if you try to execute, try as, okay, I forgot as, sorry. Okay, if I try to execute it, it will not. Okay, it will not allow. Okay, views or functions are not allowed on temporary tables. Okay, these are the limitations. Okay, so okay, hope you understand. So we will discuss great details what is the difference between local temporary table and global temporary table in another video. But for now, you hope you understand what is the temporary table and okay, we cannot create a, so those are the 3 points, guys. Okay, first we cannot use the order by class, and then parameterized view we cannot create parameter on view, and then so on temporary table you cannot create the view. Okay, that may be local temporary table, that may be global temporary table, guys. Okay, so hope you like the video. Okay, please share and subscribe for more videos, guys. Okay, so this is the limitations of view. Okay, in coming videos we will discuss about the functions. Okay, so user defined functions are there already. We have a built-in functions. We discussed aggregation functions and text functions and text functions, aggregation functions, date functions we discussed. Okay, those are built-in functions. Okay, and also if you don't achieve, okay, if you are not able to achieve the results with the those functions, we can also create the functions. Okay, those called as a user defined functions. There are 3 types of user defined functions that we will discuss in a coming video, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed for more videos, guys. Okay, thank you.